Hey girl, hey, it's me, Desiree, and today I thought I would do a little self-care video, quarantine edition. We are living in COVID right now, so the nail salon is open in my area, but I am not comfortable with going to the nail salon personally, so I have been forced to take care of my hands and feet at home. So my last self-care video was like my press-on nails. Now I'm going to show y'all the feet. Now I'm coming here with the reel, all right? Now before we get into this video, before I forget, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit. Please, come on folks, go on, hit that subscribe button. Come on, join the gang. But anyway, so I'm coming to you guys with the reel. So as you can see, this is what my feet is giving. I did my toes maybe like a week and a half, probably 2 weeks ago. And yeah, they looking a little busted, crusted, rusted, dusted. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I get my feet back up to par. You ain't gotta be no professional, because I damn sure ain't no professional. So yeah, it's gonna be really easy, really simple, nothing too crazy. Okay, purr. Okay, so let's get straight into these supplies. The first thing you will need is acetone or nail polish remover. I personally prefer acetone. You can get it anywhere. I got it from my local beauty supply. So the next thing you will need are some cotton rounds. You can also do the cotton balls. It really doesn't matter. I personally prefer the rounds, but it really don't matter. And you will also need some Q-tips, just a few, not like a lot, just a couple. Okay, so the next thing I would suggest is like some sort of pedicure sets. I got this blue one from Walmart. It was like $6 out of Walmart. And then I got this black one from Amazon. It was like $12 on Amazon. I'll be sure to link everything down below. I'm sure you can get most of these items out of the store, but I will provide some Amazon links down below. The most important thing out of this black set is this one little piece right here with the little hook. And then also, of course, a nail file or whatever. But like I said, I will link everything in the description box down below. You can get them at the store, but I'll make it easy, put the Amazon links, period. And last but not least, of course, you need some nail polish. I have been using this Essie nail polish, and then any kind of top coat, this Sally Hansen top coat. I like this Essie white nail polish because it dries very fast and it's very easy to use. I do feel like I want to try a different color, but I'm lazy. But I got these off of Amazon. So like I said, all the links will be in the description box. But yeah, any kind of nail polish, any kind of color, whatever, period. All right, so welcome back to my very crusty little toes. As you can see, the nail polish is chipping really badly. It's a little dingy looking. My cuticles, girl, like what's really happening here? Like, they need some love. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take some acetone and put it on my little cotton round and just, go ahead and remove the polish. It's not much else to it. One thing about this polish, when you remove it, it gets like all over the place, like on your actual skin and hands and stuff. But it don't matter. You just, take the little cotton round and remove it from your skin. It does get on my nails sometimes, but my nails are gel, so it doesn't matter. The acetone doesn't affect the gel. So I'm just gonna remove the polish. It's not much to this step, so yeah. Oh, yes, baby. I had to do a little shower scene. No, I'm just playing. No, for real. This is part of my foot care. I just say, make this like a foot care type of thing. Like, you do self-care. Take care of your feet too, ladies. You don't want to be playing footsies with your man and he like, oh, what's scratching me, baby? Because that ain't cute. You got to keep these feet not only looking cute but soft as well. So here I'm just showing you guys what I do in the shower. It's a very simple routine. It's nothing crazy. Just try to incorporate it into your everyday shower routine, and you will definitely notice a difference with the softness of your feet. Because I ain't gonna lie, ladies, it was when quarantine first happened, the feet was getting a little rough. I was like, wait a minute, hold on. And my boo, we was in the bed Wednesday, he was like, wait a minute, babe, your feet and things for the little rough. So I had to go, I had to get it together. So basically I just, lather my feet up. It don't matter what kind of soap you use. I use the Dr. Bronner soap for my showering anyway, and it lathers really good. So I just use the same soap. And one thing that's very important that came with the Walmart pack that I got was that little stone. And actually, I'm actually glad I got it, because I wasn't using it beforehand. I was not using that stone before, because I just got that Walmart little pedicure pack just a couple of days ago, and it came with a little stone. And I've actually noticed a difference, because I only had like the little scraper that I'm using right now, and since I got the stone, I've noticed a difference. That little stone, I don't know what's in that thing, but girl, it gets them feet, them heels really soft and really like smooth. So I definitely suggest you getting one of those little stones and a scraper and something that will smooth it out, like that black thing, that white and black smoother that I have. And if you incorporate this into your daily routine, you will definitely notice a difference, that your feet become smoother and smoother and softer and softer. Okay, honey? So, and it's gonna be salon quality. Okay, just do it on a daily basis. So I just have like a little routine. I just go in with the stone, and then I use the brush, and then I scrape with the little scraper. My little handle of my scraper broke. I know, girl, ghetto, but it's whatever. And then the last thing I use is the white and black to smooth it all out. And girl, like, it's such a difference, and it really, like, I really noticed the difference. So I definitely suggest like using this in your daily routine. I'm not saying do it every day. I don't do it every single day, but for the most part, anytime I'm in the shower, I just be like, let me go ahead and do this real quick, and it definitely makes a difference. You will notice a smoothness in your heel and your feet, and the more you do it, the better it will get. So that's just a little tip, you know what I'm saying? The feet just can't be cute. They gotta feel cute, okay, sis? So period. All right, and we back. Okay, feet are nice and clean. They are nice and smooth. Okay, now we can get to the actual grooming of the toes and get these babies painted and looking cute. Okay, like, yes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and handle these cuticles. Okay, because one thing about painting your toes is the cuticle is very important. If your cuticle is very grown out, it will not, you can put all the nail polish you want on top of it, honey, it's not gonna look good. So you want to get them cuticles together. Okay, so that's why I said the most important thing was that little thing with the ridge in it. The little kit I got comes with that little clamp thing, and that's what they use at the nail salon. But honey, I ain't got the hand coordination to use that thing without severely damaging myself. So the little thing with the little hook in it is very much easier to use as far as getting your cuticles out. And I'm not saying you got to be super precise with getting your cuticles out like they are at the nail salon. Like, they get that thing out, okay? They go deep, okay? But we just got to get it from the surface, because that's really what's important. Because when you paint your toes, you want that smooth surface. If that cuticle's in the way, it's not going to look good, okay? So that's really all that matters. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch me struggle just a bit to get these cuticles out. It's just the long nails, okay? It's a little, and I had just put these nails on and I was short. So I was still adjusting, so don't judge me. I was struggling a bit with the nails. But yeah, I just go through and I just remove all the cuticles from the surface, because it's, like I said, it's very important with getting a good application as far as painting your toes. And we want them to look cute too, okay? So get into it. All right, so next, of course, we will be clipping and shaping the toes. I like mine pretty like straight. I got some fat toes, so I like my the lines on my toes to be very straight across. And I don't like when my toenails get too long, because girl, like it's uncomfortable. It's very uncomfortable when your toenails are grown out. Trust, like, girl, like, clip them things, okay? Clip them. So I don't like mine too short, but I don't like when they get long. I just go ahead and keep them trimmed, and I like to make sure the lines are very as straight as possible, like as far as shaping them, because I just feel like nice square toes are cute. I don't really like curved sides. It's not cute to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through and trim them and shape them, and it's pretty straightforward. So yeah. Here I'm just showing you guys the two types of files. I have the little silver metal one, came with the $6 Walmart pack. I don't really like how that feels on my toes. And then the brown one, you can get like a pack of those from like Target or something, and it comes with like 10 or 20 in the pack for like $1. So very affordable. And I prefer the brown one, but yeah, I should have just got a fresh one, because I had been using this brown one for a while. So it was kind of like bending on me. So it kind of made it harder. But I don't like how that gray one feels. It just don't feel good. But it really don't matter. Any nail file, it don't matter, girl. Just something to file them nails, okay? Okay, so boom. So here we are. Toes and feet are nice and groomed and ready to be painted. This is the final step. So here's where the Q-tips and the acetone come in handy for me. I just go ahead and have a Q-tip dipped in acetone and soaked in acetone ready, because it makes it easy for me as far as painting my nails. I'm not a pro at painting my toes. I actually hate painting my toes. I hate it. I can't wait until this issue's over so that I can take my ass back to the nail salon and they can paint my toes for me. But for the time being, I'm still not comfortable going to the nail salon, so I have to do this on my own. But I hate painting my toes. But having the acetone on the Q-tip makes it very easy, because when you mess up, you can just use the Q-tip to clean it up and, just keep going. And like I said, I really like this nail polish, this white one from Essie, because it dries very fast. So it really makes it easy to like paint, and if you mess up, it's not like the end of the world. Like, you could just kind of cover it up and keep going, and your toes look like nicely painted. So it's very easy to use. Like, I kind of want to do a different color, but I'm like, I don't know if I get a different color, is it going to be hard to paint? Because if it's hard and it take forever to dry, like, girl, like, I'm going to be going back to the white. So, plus I just love, who don't like some crisp white toes? So here it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna go through and paint my toes, and yeah, and y'all, I'm gonna let y'all watch me struggle, cause I be struggling, I be messing up, it be a process, but in the end they come out cute. So that's all that's all that matters. Like, period. Just want to pop in and say I usually do 2 coats of the white and then a clear top coat. And sometimes, like, the white will get, like, how you paint your toes and you kind of paint too far back, too close to your nail bed or whatever, and you can't really, like, get it with the cuticle or your nails. One thing I will say about this polish is when I do go in the shower after they're dry, those little parts that are too close to your nail bed will usually just flake off. So I really don't worry about it too much. Like, even if you get something on the side or you can't really reach it, like, once you take a shower, you'll look down and be like, oh, they look like really clean, because that will basically flake off in the shower. So yeah, just a little tip. All right, you guys, and we are back. This is the finished look. I know it's such a big difference from the beginning, right? My feet are nice and painted. They look nice and groomed, and my heels and my actual feet are actually very soft. Like I said, that's why I'm feeling on them, because I was surprised. I was like, okay, little whatever that little rock is or whatever, that little stone, it really made a difference. Like I said, foot care is important too, ladies. We got to take care of our hands and our feet. Okay, like, you got to have your feet looking cute, feeling cute. So I just thought I would just do a little self-care. Last time it was a press on nails, this time it's the feet. Next time it might be, just a little self-pamper care. But let me know what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit. Please comment down below if you enjoy videos like this. Like I said in my past few videos, I'm gonna keep saying it, I really appreciate the feedback and letting me know what you want to see. I do have some hauls and stuff coming soon. I know that's what y'all waiting on, but just hold tight on your girl. I got you. I've been seeing the requests and I'm gonna accommodate. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.